taken at 8 from the Yankton's embrace, hair shorn like feathers in a cold, cruel place. Language silenced, spirit chained in their halls, forced to their gods, their notes on the walls. But in the violence cry, she found her fire, a child of the prairie rising higher. From psychic death, she forged her own blade, infiltrating shadows where empires were made. Never backing down. Violent, virtuosious strings as her spear, concert halls echoed with whispers of fear. Essays in Atlantic, truth sharp as knives, exposing the theft of languages and lives. Cultural theft in the name of their grace. She wrote of the grief, the stolen face, not performing their world, but breaking through a warrior's melody, bold and true. First flame, suffrage and voting in her people's name.